If you have a flat tire, it can take the air out of your day. The Tire Mobility Kit makes it easier to make a temporary repair. Find a safe place to pull over. Then remove the compressor and sealant canister from under the trunk floor. Detach the speed limit label from the sealant canister before using the kit and attach it somewhere highly visible to remind the driver not to drive too fast. First, shake the sealant canister. Make sure that the bottom on the compressor is not depressed. Then connect the sealant canister hose to the compressor and secure the sealant canister to the compressor housing. Now you can connect the sealant filler hose to the valve of the punctured tire. Make sure that the compressor is off, then connect the power cord to the vehicle power outlet. Turn the ignition on. Check the recommended tire pressure listed on the sticker in the door frame. Then, press the compressor on-off switch and let the compressor run for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until the tire reaches the recommended pressure. Once you reach the recommended pressure, drive slowly to evenly distribute the sealant inside the tire. Then, check the tire and adjust it to the recommended air pressure. The Tire Mobility Kit is only a temporary repair. It allows you to drive at up to 80 kilometers per hour and for up to 200 kilometers to reach a service center where you can have the tire replaced. One more thing. The Tire Mobility Kit can only be used when the tire tread has been punctured by a sharp object, like a nail, and has insufficient pressure. Remember, the Tire Mobility Kit cannot be used permanently, and one sealant canister can only be used to seal one tire. With the Tire Mobility Kit, you can get on with your day in no time.